this, and this is the way that I interpreted Frogger to be played, is if I was writing it for a client, I would move across the screen at a speed between 10 and 15 pixels per millisecond. They're set at a random speed in between those successfully with the arrow keys all the way across the screen. And once it crosses the border, a message should show up, and it shows that you win. So you can dismiss that message. The flaw with the game is that once that message, if somebody would go through and edit this code in the run method, they would have to have the game actually end once it's happened. The second part of the game is detecting a collision. Once it's crossed halfway through, there's a message and it says that the game is over. The problem with this message now is that once the game is over, the frog is still there, so it still detects the collision because all it is done is stop repainting the frog, but that does not make the frog go anywhere. So what they would have to do to edit this game or to make it better, the entire frog would need to be repainted actually back in its original starting position so that the game could start over or that the game could end however somebody would want to design it. So you can see that the error when you click OK, because it shows that the game's over again and again and again and again. Side and win. So yeah, just overall to fix this game, there needs to be a pause button that allows the gameplay to stop, a reset button that allows you to start the game over once your frog has disappeared, and once you've either won or a collision has been detected, the frog needs to reset itself back to its original starting position. Overall, the game was considered successful when measuring it up to the success criteria. To the Criterion A for the planning. The frog is controlled by the arrow keys. The cars are generated at random speeds in their appropriate lanes. The collision between the frog and the car is recorded. There is no pause button. The game does not restart when there's a collision, nor does it record the collisions to show that you're losing lives in the game. There is a game over message, and there's also a victory message, and there's also a background image which was very successful. Originally there was some problems with it not up there, but after some time it became very successful, and the game overall is functional. Davis, and this is Criterion D, the functionality video of my project. Thanks.